Okay, just going to test the audio, if it's working fine or not. Hello. Hey, what? I don't seem to hear myself. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing. Is the mic working or not? Oh, it is working. Took way too long to test this out. For some reason, Twitch is not working here. Trying to stream on Twitch as well for the first time. Okay, no, I thought it was. I don't know. I never streamed on Twitch before. I don't know why it's not working. So maybe not in Twitch right now. Just YouTube. Okay. Okay, what issue are you facing? So I'm going to give this info to our planner, which is Gemini, or here. I can literally copy the chat by exporting it. This should have like a copy button. Why do I have to export it and then copy? Fine. No. It is working. I hope it keeps on working. Let me try this again. Like for a second, the internet stopped working, so that's what happened. Give me a minute. Just to explain the feature I'm working on right now. It's a very important thing that we don't let our users spam us with multiple accounts to get free uses, free credits again and again. That's one we're implementing in the starter kit right now. By the way, I'm going to launch this starter kit very soon on vibefast.pro, and it's going to be really cool. We'll be making like proper introductory launch videos and things like that, and some proper tutorials and walkthroughs of it. And a lot of content will be coming very soon regarding that template and how to use it and all that. That's like the best way to market such a product, that you create content around it, using it, and that's how I will be marketing it. And I'll be sharing the entire journey over here. Mm, mm, what? Come on. This story. That should have been obvious. Wait just a second. Okay, that's what happened. Oh no, that's not the right one. I just skip this thing. If you ever need to get a project structure for your projects, you can simply run this command. And by the way, these things after dash I are the folders you want to ignore, because obviously I don't want .expo, .convex, .github, these extra stuff, especially Android and iOS folders, to be part of the structure I give to it, because it's irrelevant. I think that's about it. Yeah. Oh, it's working very slow right now. Is the stream even working smoothly? I hope so. Because my internet right now is not working that good. It feels pretty slow right now. I mean, cursor is slow. The string that I've opened in here is buffering. Oh my god, I don't know what's happening. For some reason this is stuck. I don't know if this even is using internet or not. Look, everything's just so slow right now. I don't know what's going on. That is very sad. Look, everything's just so slow right now. I don't know what's going on. Stream seems to be fine. I mean, I did not feel any issues with the audio being like sounding weird. My god, I don't know what. This is unacceptably slow. Am I out of my fast credits? Even though now they're not even mentioning whether it's uh, whether I've used all my fast credits or not. It is very weird. This is not okay though. I mean, they are not even telling us whether we are on fast credits or slow credits. Which I actually thought that I initially thought that maybe all requests are going to be fast requests now, but that is not the case. It's working very slow right now. Very slow. By the way, this is very weird. Like Claude for Sonnet thinking is like two requests, but O3 is one. How does that make any sense? Is O3 that cheap now? I mean, I do know they reduced the price, but did they reduce it a lot? Like is it cheaper than Claude for thinking? And the problem is with this speed, I just cannot be coding here. Wait, stop. Skip testing. On slow requests, we cannot afford testing. Ah, I think I'm out of my fast request. Looking at the speed of cursor, it's pathetic right now. Disappointing. Okay, it's done. Let me see. So I want to restart my cursor. Maybe that helps. Not with the fast slow request, but overall my laptop's working pretty slow right now. It's still slow. Come on. Does it get overwhelming in the convex directory? Wait, what does that mean? What do you mean? Can you please explain the question? Oh, do you mean these things? These like the unorganized folder? Man, so yes, that is very, I hate the way this looks. And this is the only weird part, like the main weird part about convex. I wasn't able to find like a proper guide on how I should structure this because like I tried once doing it with cursor, without paying attention how it works, and it messed it up the complete thing. It What it did was it first put it into folders to make it organized, and then when it did not work, it brought back everything to where it actually was. So that so I wish like 3 4 fast requests of cursor for that stupid thing. And yeah, but I think there would be some way. Like, how is it possible that there is no proper way for it? But I wasn't like able to find something proper in the documentation, which is very weird though. Very weird. I hope they will add it very soon because it's something very important. Okay, now let me just start the app. I don't know why it's not showing properly. Quick, please. Okay, let me do it with it. Okay, sometimes it just doesn't open up, then I can use this. What happened with uh, the I don't know whatever website you were working on, the piracy one. I don't know what that exactly is. Is it done or how long do you think it would take? It's working so slow right now. So I like making things look really good. Yeah, I know that you by looking at that workout app, I can I definitely know that you like making things look really good. So about a week, it's not too long. It's not complicated. It might be if you do some proxy to scrape and no ads. Okay. Okay. If you're making it for yourself, you don't need to make it look good, I guess. I don't know what's going on. Everything's working very slow. This is slow. Computer is slow. Cursor was very slow. Everything's working very slow right now. I don't know if I can make this stream that long with these issues that I'm facing. Very weird. Okay, finally opened up. Let me show my iPhone. But it's like again stuck at the splash screen. Wait, I think I've seen this issue before. So, okay, I want you to explain what Git do exactly. Oh, okay. I thought you already knew about it. Okay, let me explain that. Just a second. Come on, stop working. Now it shows. Who asked you to put the onboarding here? I hate when it does more than what I ask it to do. Or maybe the plan wasn't right. Why are you showing the demo one? What is going on? Give me a second. I need to get this stupid thing fixed. Oh, it's loading again. Let me explain. Its purpose is not for you to pick things from the kit and put it in your app. The main, like you can do that, but that's like not the main benefit you get out of it. The main thing you get out of it is you take the starter kit. First of all, what does that kit has? It has authentication already done for you. It has payment stuff already done for you, revenue cat, integration, and it's not just subscription. I have handled all the things. If you want to add feature where users can buy credits, coins, things like that, you can do that. If you want to have one-time payment, like a lifetime deal of the app, you can do that. You want yearly subscription, annual, whatever kind of subscription, you can do that. Some other things will be onboarding, multi onboardings, because one of the most important things you probably already know of an app is onboarding. You want the onboarding to be such that it convinces the user to buy, paying for the app. So there will be multiple onboardings, very good onboardings. Other than that, we have themes already in place, dark mode, light mode, things like that. There, and then coming to the more advanced stuff, uh, by looking at the kind of apps what people are right now publishing, most of them are AI apps. And what are AI apps? They are chatbots, image generators, image analyzers, or image analysis kind of things, voice bots, and what else? Yeah, and some other include like tracking, like we know Cal AI. It's like a combination of image analysis plus showing charts and visualizing data. So I have charts in place already. So what it does is rather than having to implement all those things, which even if you vibe code it entirely, it's still going to take a lot of time of yours. And the thing is, what I've seen is uh, the most fundamental kind of things and basic structural things of React Native and the features, it's very hard to implement them by just using an LLM, using Cursor or whatever. So I had to learn this first, implement it a lot of things I had to implement it, and secondly, I had to find out the things. So one of the great thing about this particular template, which you won't find anywhere else, and I mean it, is that I have cursor rules by spending after spending hundreds of hours trying to use Cursor and these LLMs to make develop React Native apps, I found a lot of problems that you will face regardless of what model you use. Even with O3, I faced those problems. So I've turned those problems into Cursor rules so that when you are implementing, like when someone takes my template and starts to create something, make an app, those issues he won't have to face them. And because the only solution, so the way I found the solution to those problems was by actually learning some React Native stuff very deeply. So the benefit of the customer of my template, user of my template will get is that he won't have to code that deep into those things, and it would make things a lot easier for that person, which is a big saver. If you really think about it, it can save hundreds of hours easily, especially if you want to create multiple apps. Over the course of multiple apps, you're saving yourself insane amount of time. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And I would really want you to make lots of apps with it, test it out. Like you can be my first tester of it, and we can improve it collectively. Like obviously, if I create the thing, test it myself, and because I'm trying to do things very quickly and be fast, so I might miss some things here and there. So if someone else tests it out, uses it, tries to create something, we can find like improve it even more, so the final user can get an even better product. Yeah. So I do plan to give 10-20 people for to like this template to 10-20 potential people who I know that would like they would create something out of it, something good out of it. For free, I can give them this template, like the pro one. So I do have an open source one. I will like remove like like the advanced stuff and just have like authentication and paywall in it and give that. And that like the benefit of that is, first of all, some people, there are people who would never who could not afford it. They can simply like use an open source one. They won't get everything, but at least it's way better than something and like than nothing. Because I remember when I started initially, I had a very hard time. What is your problem doing all this? And by the way, I forgot to tell you another very important and equally amazing benefit, which which is like when I created my app and when the time came to publish it to the App Store, I was watching one video and some other video and some third video and fourth video, going through documentation and blog. I don't know why. It was so hectic. It was so hectic. So my plan is to create a very comprehensive, very nice, comprehensive, short list of videos that will. Oh, okay. Like list of videos that like in which I will go through the entire process of putting the app to the App Store, so the users don't have to go through documentations and many YouTube videos to get it done. Yeah, yeah, you can get home, no problem. And I can fix this stupid bug till then. Okay, so let me get this stupid thing fixed. Onboarding, where are you? So when I click the button or scroll, I get this stupid thing over and fix. Hey, can you check the user creation part in the convex? I want to see uh, why do I have available credits as 0 even though I have created my first account with this on this particular device. What? What was that? Can you please check convex implementation of creating the user and giving the free tier part? I created my first account on this device for the first account on this device, and the available credits showing is 0. I don't know why.